Okay, so you've seen how to create a target, you've seen how to make it move, you've seen how to make it explode, you've seen how to add on a score. So the last thing we really need to do is figure out how to win and how to lose. And we're going to do that using a timer. So we're going to make a very simple bar timer. Basically, we're going to have a bar across the top of the, or part of the top of the screen, and it will run out of time. So what I'd like you to do is create a bar, and I want it to have a green fill and a black stroke. Remember, green means good, so at this point they have all the time in the world. But eventually what's going to happen is that bar is going to drain out and it's going to turn red, and when it does that, then they know they have little time to continue on. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on just the green. Don't double click, we're not trying to get the stroke, we just want to get the green. And we're going to hit FN, F8, and we'll call it timer. We're going to make sure it's a movie clip. I'm going to hit OK. What I'd like you to do is once it's a movie clip, I'm going to double click on it, and we'll go to say, we'll say 120. And I'm going to hit F6. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that movie clip and I'm going to have it run out of time. So I'm going to shrink it down, I'm going to pull it to the right, and I'm also going to change it to red. Now I have an ungrouped object, so I'm going to click and I'm going to create a shape tween, and so you will see that over a course of 120 frames it goes to red. Now we're going to set it up in this video to lose, and then in the next video I'll show you how to win. If we run out of time, then what I'm going to do is on this frame, I'm going to go to your timeline controls and I'm going to put in underscore root dot go to and stop and then we're going to go quote loser and parenthesis. So at this point, if the timer has run out, they're out of time, so they automatically lost. So let's test it. So if I go to command return, we start our game. You'll see the timer is going down. I can click on this as much as I want, it's not going to matter. And it takes us to our loser scene. So how do we win? We're also going to use our movie clip for that as well. So we're going to go back out to level 1. We're going to click on the movie clip. And we're going to put in on clip event, enter frame, and again that means automatically check. We're going to use an if statement. We used one before, and we're going to use one again. If parenthesis underscore root dot score is greater than equal to, we'll make it simple, 2. Close bracket. So if we get 2, we want it to underscore root dot, again, go to and stop. And where do we want to go to and stop? If they beat the game, if they got a score of 2 or higher before the time ran out, we want to go to and stop on winner. W-I-N-N-E-R, end quote, end parenthesis. So again, we have a timer. It's a movie clip. We set it for 120. If it drains out and reaches 120, it will automatically go to the loser scene. But now we're saying, but if I can get a score of 2 before the timer runs out, I'm going to go to the winner scene. Let's see how it works. So I'm going to start the game and hopefully, oh, one winner. And that's how it works. And so at this point, I would probably want to put in a play again button or some kind of amazing animation of winning and losing, or fireworks or something like that. So in the next video, we'll kind of recap then I want you to submit to me just simply this, just a simple game with a ball, and then we'll talk about how to design your own theme to a game. See you in a couple minutes.